So welcome. Here are 3 simple tips how to feel alive and invigorated. So if you're feeling very dead, totally dead one day, and you've got no energy and no enthusiasm for life, and you just need a little shake up. So here are 3 things that you can do, like 5-10 minutes, that can instantly lift you. The first one is shaking. So shaking the body. Shaking the body comes from these ancient practices from shamans and bushmen. So the Kalahari bushmen used to shake. This was one of their practices. So we'll start with shaking the arms, and then we can shake the legs. Breathe in any way that you want. You can put your favorite music on if you want to next time. And then we're going to just move the knees back and forth like this. So one back and the other back, or you can do both together. Just finding a way of shaking, grounding the feet onto the earth, and the shaking, actually, the moving the knees back and forth, it makes everything ripple up through the body. So we are getting into any stagnated areas. And now we're going to start to bring in the breath. Breathing in and exhaling out. And now we're going to start to use sound. So deep breath in. And again, deep breath in. And again, deep breath in. Good, and then bring the lips together. And again, deep breath in. And again, deep breath in. Good, and keep shaking. So we're shaking and we're making sound when we want to, if we want to. You don't have to. It's very good to free and open the voice and move the energy in that area. So up to you. Keep shaking and just making sound whenever you want. Shaking the head, opening the jaw. We can stick out the tongue. And again, deep breath in. And last time. And just slowing down the shaking. Slowing down until we come to complete stillness. And we're just feeling the aliveness that's inside, the invigoration that is occurring from the movement, the breathing, the releasing. Take a deep breath in and exhale with a sigh. Sighing is really good for releasing, because a lot of the time we keep everything suppressed. We're trying not to get angry, we're trying to deal with our friends, relatives, our bosses, and trying to, do the right things. So a daily practice of this, sticking the tongue out and releasing the sound, or any sound can come out, just having that freedom to not hold everything in. So the next technique that we'll do is Simha Mudra, which comes from yoga, but we're just going to do it standing up and a very gentle version of this. So deep breath in, and then we stick the tongue out, and we do this with the hands. So it's like we're throwing anything that's been stagnated or suppressed within us, we're just throwing it out. It's like a cleansing process for the emotional body. Okay, deep breath in. Deep breath in. Simha means the lion. Deep breath in. Deep breath in. And 3 more. Letting go of anything you want to release, anything that you don't want to hold on to anymore. And last one. Good. And just coming into a place of stillness. So we have shaking, we have releasing in Simha Mudra, and sounding is another powerful tool. So we're just going to make any sound, and this might feel very strange for us in some of our cultures because we're not taught to just make sounds and to be free and to sing, and we are quite shy about it normally, but it really opens up our throats. So let's just take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, make any sound. Just allowing the sound to be heard. Deep breath in. It doesn't have to be pretty, it doesn't have to sound harmonious. We're going to go deeper now, deep sound, like very low. See how low you can go. Deep breath in. And again, deep breath in. And now see how high you can go. Deep breath in. And last time, deep breath in. Good, and 2 more sounds, any tone. Last one. Good, and let's finish with 3 sighs. Deep breath in. Good, and just see how you feel. Maybe that was difficult for you. Maybe it was like, oh, I don't like this, yeah? Or maybe you felt such freedom in just being able to make a sound without having to sound tuneful. I think for a lot of us, most children on the planet have been told to shh, shh, be quiet at some point or many points during their lives. So this freedom in just being able to make sound is very, very therapeutic. So I hope this has helped, and I hope you can bring in these little techniques when you're feeling very flat and you want to feel more alive, more life force within you. Thank you.